Hello, future international students. Moving abroad for your studies can be an exciting adventure, but it can also come with its challenges. So today I'm here to share some valuable tips with you that will help you thrive as an international student. So let's get down to it. Tip number 1. Make a budget for your life overseas. Studying abroad often means dealing with varying living costs. Plan ahead to cover all of your expenses, and also don't forget to keep in mind that some urban areas are pricier, so budget wisely. Tip number 2. Develop your language skills. Don't let language barriers hold you back. You can try tutorials, free courses, or even immerse yourself into an English-speaking environment. It's gonna help you a lot. Tip number 3. Join a society club. Universities offer diverse student-run organizations. Whether you're into sports, arts, or debates, there's a club for you. It's a fantastic way to make friends and to adapt to your new environment. Tip number 4. Immerse yourself into the culture. Culture shock is common, so prepare for it. Try to learn more about your host country traditions and try to accept them. And of course, remember that homesickness is normal and it really gets easier. Tip number 5. Build a strong network of support. Lean on your university's international student office, orientation programs, or your fellow students. Seek guidance from academic advisors and counselors who understand your challenges. Tip number 6. Learn about the local laws. Understanding your host country's laws is crucial, and it can really sometimes affect your student life and your student status. So stay informed to avoid complications and misunderstandings. Tip number 7. Make copies of important documentation. It is very important to make copies and backups of documentation required by your school or by the immigration office, and it's also a precaution that can save you from stress in case of loss or damage. Lastly, of course, remember that being an international student is a remarkable journey that is filled with growth and discovery. Embrace the experience, stay informed, and with the support of programs like the Hospitality Academy, you'll thrive in your new home, far away from home.
You've got this. Keep studying, keep growing, and keep reaching for your goals with confidence. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more student tips and discover how you can study and work abroad with Hospitality Academy.